Guys, no, nagbabalik ta guys, no? Okay, no? Medyo kuhan sila karang guys, no? Okay? Okay, nandito sila karang guys, no? Ayan, yes, medyo kuhan sila karang guys, no?
Hanso pang Malacanang. Bongbong is not gonna cover your asses. Pag nagdemanda, every single one of you. Lahat ng mga benepisyo ninyo mawawala for following an unlawful order. Hindi nagtatapos yung laban dito sa kalsada, baka hindi
Okay guys, no? Na-adopted sa loob daw guys, no? Nasa loob daw yung school. Tapos, na-upload dito sila ng kuhan guys. Yan. Okay guys, no? Nasa loob sila school daw. Yung teacher anay, nasa loob daw. Okay. Okay. Okay, medyo... Salamat guys, no?
These are high school. So, yeah. PMC, IBEL, heads of our school. Yeah. We have
Actually, these are students.
These are students.
These are students. Teachers and students.
So, meaning to say,
Student po. Ganyan sa sila.
Sige, nagbilang ako sa mama.
what they're fighting for is their right to education.
Yes.
So,
Diyos me. Because they wanted to look for Sylvia, wala kayong pasok ngayon!
Hindi kami makakapayag. May pasok lang daw kasi.
Diyos me.
Okay, salamat guys, ha? Thank you.
Kayong